Kiss, Oliver. Give him a kiss. Oliver, can you tell Spencer where outside is? Show him outside. Soft. That's right, Spency. Soft, Oliver. Good boy. Give him a little kiss. Aww, that's a nice kiss. That's a nice kiss. Owen, look at baby. Can you say how soft it is? Aww, baby Owen. Spency. Where's outside, Spence? Spency, where's outside? Where's outside, baby Spencer?
Meow.
No, look, everyone's here. Meow. Oliver.